Poa annua, its scientific name, annual bluegrass. This categorized into a cool season grass, often classified as a weed in managed turf. Now, we're going to walk through some of the interesting and key characteristics of this type of grass and its featuring of light green, vibrant color that is a contrast to its surfacing turf. And it produces seed heads all when it is mowed at a very low length, like putting green surfaces. It grows rapidly in cool, moist conditions and struggles during extreme temperatures in the summer. Now, you've seen this grass on some big name events and golf championship events like Pebble Beach and Torrey Pines, but it does have some characteristics to it why players dislike the texture and grain. Others find it very valuable and tight and dense for its surfaces when it's provided. Now you got to remember you're talking about Torrey Pines and Pebble Beach, so they're nice courses. Nevertheless, they do use this. It creates unique bumpnesses on the greens, and its seed heads emerge, affecting the ball's roll. It's important. And it often thrives in the same conditions that golfers prefer to play in, making it a, a good place to be. Its highly maintenance requires careful water and management in its growth to keep performance consistent, and its ability to produce seeds at extremely low levels and allows it to spread aggressively, often out competing other turf like bent grass. It's highly prone to diseases, more like summer patches that especially happen under the summer stress heat. Hopefully, this brings you one step closer. I do enjoy myself putting on these surfaces, but there's so much to learn here about golf. I think golf has something for everyone. Go out there and play a little bit of golf in the near future here with the Parfessor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area, and learn a little bit more about the different types of grasses here on a golf course that we're willing to break into in short videos. We keep them right around 3 minutes. We want to get in, we want to get out. Once you go play a little bit of golf, I want you to capture that hole in one you were thinking about. And that's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come here with the Parfessor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area.